Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the bracket. Make changes if needed. 1. John usually up at 4 o'clock in the morning. 2. They often to the movies. 3. The sun in the west. 4. Every mother her children affectionately. 5. Michael games regularly in the morning. 6. He milk before going to bed. 7. Those who always succeed. 8. Birds usually nests in the trees. 9. The Prime Minister to our town on Thursday next. 10. Our brave soldiers always watchful eyes on the border. 11. You sometimes somewhat perturbed. 12. Lotus always in mud. 13. A philosopher, everything with a different viewpoint. 14. History ever itself. 15. All teachers. Inspiration in the students. 16. 2 and 2. 4. 17. Our deeds, our destiny. 18. Pakistani soldiers. 2 Indian soldiers on the LOC. 19. My brother seldom a coat in cold days. 20. Monkeys. Nests.